But what on earth are all of these holes and why are they here? Let's get even closer. There seem to be things inside of the holes. Some of the holes are empty. So here it is. This is what I found in there. And you know, I recognize what this is. It's a tiny little piece of something that grows on trees. It is much bigger. This is definitely not what I expected to find inside those holes. So I started looking down around the tree, and I found more of those strange objects down here at the base of the tree. There's another one. And then I found this. Look at that. Half of a pine cone. And indeed, if you just break off one of these little notches, which again is proving difficult to do with one hand. Okay, here comes the foot. Trying to break this stuff off. And you can see, now this is fresh, but these are individual pieces from a pine cone. Now I wonder, I've heard of acorn woodpeckers and woodpeckers in general drilling holes and putting acorns inside the holes. The acorns attract insects, and then the woodpeckers come back to eat the grubs and the insects. So it's a little bit of a food trap. But I had not heard of any creature using and shoving little individual knobs from pine cones. So I learned something new today. Thank you guys so much. Super, super awesome. Hey there, camp keepers. This is Willow. And you know, I got back from checking out that acorn woodpecker granary, and I started doing research online, and I discovered a couple new things I didn't know about. So first of all, I had a misconception. I believed that acorn woodpeckers did not eat the acorns. But as a matter of fact, they do. In fact, it's a major, major part of their diet. They'll also eat pine nuts, and sometimes in the spring, when all life is popping out, they'll eat different types of beetles and insects. They will drink sap from trees, and they'll also enjoy tiny little flowers and bits of pollen. Now, the other thing I learned is that it is normal for acorn woodpeckers to sometimes store the wrong thing. So all of these acorns are stored as a major food source for the winter. But sometimes they'll store rocks. Sometimes they'll store those little pine cone scales that we found, and other things that are not helpful to them. Now, I found all of this information on a particular web page as well as in a video, and I have provided those links for you in this classroom. So I really hope you check them out, do a little bit of reading and a little bit of watching, and you can learn all about acorn woodpeckers. Thank you so much. I love going on this journey with you guys, and I can't wait to see you in person at Camp Keep. Bye-bye.